Today, I'm very excited to take you along with me when I create my first vision board. I've been hearing so much about the power of vision boards, and I figured it was time for me to make one. Let's talk a little bit about what the vision board actually is. A vision board is a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. It's a collage of images, words, and quotes reflecting the life that you want to have. Vision boards are rooted in the concept of law of attraction. They believe that by focusing on the positive thoughts and visualizing your desired outcomes, you can actually bring those things into your life. But there's a thing, vision boards are not only about putting pretty pictures on a board. They are a powerful tool to manifest your desires, your goals, but they also acquire clarity and intention. That means that you really need to think what you want to achieve, what inspires you, and how you want to feel when you achieve those goals. Whether you are focusing on your career goals, personal growth, health, relationships, or all of these things, your vision board can help you to keep your eyes on that prize. And the best part? There is no right or wrong way to make one. It's all about what feels authentic to you. So I'm going to get started with my very first vision board. I'm excited to share this process with you, and hopefully I can inspire you to make your own. I found these ones. It's a board with a cork, so you can pin things on that, and I think it will be perfect. And I found these pins. They will match and fit perfectly. Many people are making vision boards like for 1 year, 1st of January, and then you have it for the whole next year, and then you can make vision boards for 3 months or 1 week, or it's your own decision. So I decided that my vision board is for 2024, those months that are left. I decided to put things that are most important for me right now, things that I feel like would make me really happy. This is Norway. Norway will always be on my vision boards. This one, it's big for me. When you're making your vision boards or manifesting things, you have to think that you are already the thing that you want to be, or you have the things that you want to have. So I have written this: I am an artist. That's my dream. I have a successful business. I have never owned a business, and I really want to have a business where I am making money for myself and not for someone else. I am my own boss. I think we're gonna put it here. These two, I have to put them here because let's see. This is jackfruit. I really want to taste one of those. And a durian as well. I would love to have the Ohuhu marker shelves, and I would love to have some Ohuhu acrylic markers. I have a lot of markers, but there's always more you can have, right? This. I want to have this watch. I like neon colors. And this one is really neon-y. This is even more me. They both are me. This gonna be in the middle. YouTube. 1,000 subscribers. I have 20 per today. Quite a long way to go. But it's here. I'll get there. Another important wish is that my family is happy and healthy. This is important. And this one as well. My body is healthy, my mind is creative, and my soul is calm. This is something I really need right now. I am joy, light and pure positive energy. It's never too much of good vibes and positive energy. I am financially free. That's my goal. My skin is clear and glowing. I would like to have it. I have a bit problematic skin. One important thing with manifesting, you have to be grateful for what you have. I've been really working on that a lot lately. I have been thinking about what other people have and what I don't have, but I've been slowly changing my mind and actually being grateful for what I have, because I have a lot of good things in my life right now. I am really grateful for that. I get paid for being me. This one is so good. If I would be able to bring in money by doing this, being creative, being an artist, content creator, it would be wonderful. Money is constantly flowing to me. And this one is fun. If I succeed, when I succeed with all of this, I will make money while I sleep. Cool, right? So, I think I'm ready. This is my vision board. I will have it here on my desk. I think it's good. Good things on that board. Things that make me happy. I'm ready to work hard for them.